TikTok, in a nutshell, is a social media video sharing app where you are able to share vertical and horizontal videos. When you open up the app, it opens up to the For You page seen at the very top. The For You page is determined by the algorithm that is on TikTok with pages, individuals, videos, and searches that you have done in the past. That's what populates the For You page. If you tap on the following or swipe over to see the following page, you see videos of all of the user accounts that you follow on TikTok. At the very bottom, what you have is the home page, which opens up to it, which has the For You page. You can also do a search. You can search for different videos, hashtags, and sounds on here, and you can also see what's trending. Also at the very bottom with the plus symbol, you can upload a video, which we'll get into a little bit later. To the right of that, you have your inbox, which shows all the comments, likes, and your followers' live streams should they have that. Off to the right of that is your profile page. You can edit your profile, check your videos, you can check your metrics, and you can also edit pictures as well as links to your social media websites and get access to your settings. Going back to the home page, if you see off to the right-hand side, you'll see at the very top a circle which shows the profile in which this video originated from. To the bottom of that, you see how many likes or hearts that it got. Double tapping on a video hearts the video, and it will also show up on your profile under videos that you have hearted. You can also tap on the heart again to get rid of the heart. Below that, you have all of the comments to which you can comment and heart all of the different comments that are there. You cannot put links in the comments at this time. Down below the comment section, you can also share, which allows you to send this particular video to people who have allowed this to occur. You can share it to various social media platforms or grab a link, and you can also download it to your camera roll should the user have set that up. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. And then down at the very bottom of the share function, you have your sounds function, which you see the musical notes and it's spinning. If you tap on that, you can see the sounds that people have used this for on their own videos. So you have multiple ways of being able to get yourself known. You can get yourself known either through your videos, or you can get yourself known for the sounds, and that can include music on the different videos. And that is the general overview of the TikTok app.